how to redesign your website with AI. In this video, I want to show you how you can redesign your old website into a new website like this one with the help of AI. And I promise you it won't take longer than 10 minutes because AI is just crazy right now and it can do so much for us. We will be using a tool which is called Base 44. I've tested many different app builders and website builders with AI, and I think this is the best one because you can start for free. And therefore you will find my partner link down in the video description. You can just click on it and then you can sign up for free and you get 25 credits. So in theory, you can build 25 websites with that. So just click on it and it will bring you to this page. And here it says build powerful apps and websites fast. And we want to build a website now. So you can just click on build now and then you can sign up with Google or your email and a password. And once you have done this, you will land on this page here. And here you can just type in whatever you want to create. But since we want to redesign our own website, we can also give it the link of our website. So for example, this is my website here and this is almost 6 years old and this is in German, and now I want to have the same thing in English but with a fresh design. And therefore we can just go ahead and tell the AI what we want. So here's a link of my old website and I want this website in a fresh design. As a web designer, recreate or redesign my old website into a new one. And now I will just go ahead and give it the link, and I will also upload my own image. So you can just click on attach and then you can upload your images here. Whatever images you want on your website, maybe from your office or like a photo of yourself or of your team, you can just give the image to the AI and it will just cut it and put it in the website. And I will also just link a couple of tutorials here so it can use it on the website. And then I can just go ahead and send it to the AI. So let's go ahead and do this. And now you will land inside the dashboard or the editor of Base 44. And now the AI will scrape my old website, get all the information, and then planning the entire website for you, creating a new design for you, and then even writing the code for you. So I think this is perfect. We just have to lean back and sit and wait for the AI to finish the job. So let's do this. And now let's check it out. The website is done. So let's go ahead and see what it did. And this is the new website and it looks kind of cool. It kind of took the colors from my hair, orange, which is funny, but I like it. And yes, so it says, hey, I'm Julian. I help you build your own professional website step by step. Watch my tutorial, go to my website coaching. And I like this arrow, which is animated. I'm really a fan of the details here. And now here you can see popular tutorials of mine about Base 44, which is quite nice. How many subscribers, how many videos, watch hours, and coachings sold, and my story. So here you can read about myself, which is nice, and want to build your own website. And here's an offer for the people so they can get started. And down here you have popular articles. So I think this is a perfect homepage and it was built in like under 3 minutes. It definitely looks better than my current website here, which was built on Wix, and I had to build it myself. So with the drag and drop editor, I had to make all the changes and it took me days and weeks to build this entire thing. And now AI is doing it in under 3 minutes. I honestly can't believe how easy it is. And the best part is we can just speak to the AI. For example, now if I want like a contact page, I can just say, okay, I'm seeing a contact page is missing. So please go ahead and build me a nice looking contact page with a Google Maps integration, and just take the Central Park in New York for now as the Google Maps point and just link it in the header of the website, and just go ahead and do this. And please, when someone sends us a message, save this in the database. And now let's check this out. It's going to build us a contact page right now. And meanwhile, just to explain you the credit system on Base 44. So when you sign up via my link down here in the video description, you will get 25 credits and you can use 5 credits per day. And 1 credit is always when you tell the AI to do something. So now we already used 2 credits. And if you reach the limit, then you can upgrade. But per month, you always get 25 credits. So this is really nice. And you have 100 integration credits, meaning someone can interact with your page. For example, when someone sends you a message and then it's stored to the database or something, then 1 integration credit is deducted. Yeah, just to let you know, this is how it works with the credits. And now let's wait until the contact page is done. And when you hear this sound, it means that the page is ready. So the AI has built ourselves a contact page, and we can just click on it. And now let's see how the page is looking. And so I think this is cool. Here, contact me, have a question, want to work with me. Then here's the Google Maps integration. And here people can send us a message and they have the contact details here. And of course, if you like a restaurant or something, you can add opening hours and whatnot. And as said, we now see you can just talk to the AI and it will do the work for you. And since it's an app builder, it can also create functionalities for us. So for example, I could go ahead and say, hey, on the homepage, please make a section where you ask people about their experience with website builders and how good they are in technical terms and with their skills and what website they want to build. And yeah, just think of a couple of questions for website beginners and just make a quiz out of it. And at the end, they should put in their email address and their name and save this information to the database so we can collect some leads on our homepage. And back in the days, you would need like a quiz funnel for this, so an extra tool like Typeform or some page builder to build this quiz. But now we can just integrate this into our Base44 website and collect leads on our homepage. So I like this a lot, so I can just send it over. And up here, you can just go back to the homepage and let's see what the AI is building for us. And now the AI is done. It took the AI 1 minute or so. And let's scroll down and where it is here. Which website builder is right for you? Start the quiz. And then I can just go ahead. Have you ever built a website before? Never. I'm a beginner. Next. How would you rate your technical skills? Comfortable with the basic apps and tools, and so on. And at the end, it should ask us for our email address. So let's go ahead and do this. And yeah, your name, your email address. And when I now put in my name and my email address and get recommendations, now it should be saved in the database. So let's go back. Up here, you have the dashboard, which is kind of the back end of your site. And then here you have the data and the quiz lead. And you can see here is my lead. So even with the answers I provided. So this is perfect. You've built your own website. You just redesigned it. We've added a contact page and we even integrate like a lead form, a quiz, and added some functionality to the website. And the last thing we now need to do is publish the website, of course. Therefore, you can click on publish and then Base44 will give you a dummy domain, juliandesignspace.base44.app, and it's already live. So you can share it with the world, with your colleagues, with your family, with your friends, and they can see the website live and online. And I don't know about you, but it didn't took longer than 10 minutes to build this website. It is crazy, my friends. It is crazy. Like, I don't know if I would want to be a web designer in the future. And the best part is if you want to make things professional, you can just go on domain and then you can even buy the domain with Base44. On some plans, you will even get a free domain and it will be automatically connected to your website. And then you can just publish it again under your own domain. And yeah, it's crazy. If you want to learn more about it, I will have a video up here where I explain the whole website builder. And if you want to start right now, you can just find the link down here in the video description. Just click on it. You can sign up for free. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and we see us in the next video. Bye.